Good morning. Here we are in the gym on Tuesday morning for an upper body workout. The upper body workout main lift will be barbell bench press. So we've got 3 sets of 10 on that, and we've got 3 auxiliaries. The auxiliaries are chest flies, nose crushers, and tricep extensions. So we've got a good workout in front of us, got a couple good chest exercises and a couple really good tricep exercises. So we're gonna hit those hard and see where they get us. I'm a little bit sore from yesterday's lower body workout. Had just hit me, probably last night it was starting to hit me, and then this morning a little bit worse. The glutes are pretty sore. Those lunges really hit the glutes pretty good. So anyway, yeah, we are ready to hit a chest workout, and then after the workout, obviously we're gonna head out on a walk, and it's gonna be a walk only, get a little bit more recovery and blood flow through these legs. And anyway, got that to go, and welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Well, that completes the first half, or the front half of the week 2. Yeah, we got the upper body workout done. The bench press went well, and I got, let's see, we finished at 175. I was gonna do 165, and I thought, you know what, 155 was pretty, I wouldn't say easy, but it was not as intense as I'd have liked it to be, and 175 was the right ticket for that lift. I probably could have done 165 for both second and third set and been just as good, but we did 135, 155, and then 175. So probably could have done 135, 165, 165. So yeah, no, turned out good. The chest flies were, I started with the 45 and then I went to the 50s for the second 2 sets. I'm not sure if I could have done, I mean, the last couple reps were really difficult, so I'm not sure if I could have done all 3 sets with the 50s, but those were sets of 12. So that's, if it was sets of 10, I'm pretty sure I could have done the 50s for all 3 sets, but sets of 12, we had to start with the 45s and then do 50 for a couple sets. The nose crushers, yeah, so 65 pounds. I was kind of wondering whether I should put 55 or just throw the 25s on for 65 pounds. Like I said before, count those easy bar curl bars as 15 pounds. So 50 pounders plus 15 is 65 pounds. So that's what I counted as. And 55 would have been 2 10s on each side. So yeah, finished the first 2 sets, and second set was pretty difficult. Third set, finished 9. And had to take a breather and let the triceps rest. I wasn't my respiratory and cardiovascular wasn't taxed, but my triceps were. They were about done. And even with 3 left, I wondered if I ain't even gonna be able to finish these 3. I didn't even know if I was gonna be able to finish 2 more. But I was able to do 10 and 11 and 12. I got half to 3/4 of the way up, and they just had nothing left. So that was a good workout for those. And then the tricep extensions, I only had 50 pounds on, which I very rarely do less than 60, and most time do 70. So though 50 pounds was the right weight for that, as even on the first set, it was difficult to finish the last 2 or 3 reps. So yeah, good workout. And then the walk was good, stepped it up a little bit more, ended up under 15, like 1450s. So 1450 pace, so that's good. So yeah, good workout this morning. Always feels good to hit the upper body like that. So legs are not quite as sore. Glutes are still a little bit sore, but the walk kind of worked some of that out, so that's good. So yeah, so we're done with Tuesday, folks. We'll be out for tomorrow, Wednesday for our active rest day. We'll hit a stretch routine, and then should be hitting my walk jogs. We'll see how we feel. But yeah, well, I'm not sure if I'll do all 3, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, we are done with Tuesday. So let's get on to Wednesday and get that workout. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys take care, be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you. Be safe. See ya.